Hi, I'm Dave, and this is my DA52V Suzuki Every van. I'm on a mission to make this thing drive and stop faster, so in previous videos I did the big brake upgrade and installed a larger rear diff and final gear, all from a DA32W Landy. If you saw the diff swap video, you might remember me saying this. I'll also be swapping this van to manual in the future. Well, for that I'll need a manual transmission, won't I? This silver bullet here is my other DA52V Suzuki Every van. It has an NA F6A engine attached to a manual transmission, so the plan here is to swap the manual out of this van and install it into the other one. But first I gotta get it out. Driver of screws, which I get 0 torque on. Brake on through to the other side. Heavy man breathing. Oh, that's because it comes out here. Do not release the handbrake, otherwise we die. Gee, look at all the hair. Thanks, Ted. Look. Quality. Come on, get out of there. Right, done. I don't want to disconnect this, so I'll disconnect it from the other end and pull it out this way. So in the car is done, and we've left our safety shit connected. Get this the f out of here. Get out the speed sensor. There we go. Lift that tab, get that off there, tuck it out of the way. Am I going to disconnect it at this end? It might be more difficult. Do I need pliers for this? Nope, that just came straight off. All right. Get that. Geez, this is all very, very greasy and dirty. I can't reach the other one, which means it's probably going to be easier from inside the car. I think I'm changing my
angle of attack.
Plan of attack, yeah. Is that doing up? I think it is, yeah. Don't do it up tighter. You need to get it out. I'm an engine starter!
Twisted engine starter.
I like the fact that you got what I was doing there. Make sure you hold on to this thing, because if you don't, it might just suddenly decide that it wants to... Yeah, this one wasn't even on. Oh, shit.
What?
Gonna need a bucket or a hose brew. That's going to just dump fluid everywhere.
Yep.
I need to drain the gearbox. Have to get this to come out like that. Already disconnected it like that. Yep, that's out. Get the other one. I normally zip tie them back in after I get them out because they're a prick.
Would it be easier from the other side?
Yep, you were right. There we go. Leverage was the key. Get this off here with a screwdriver. Like that. And this is free. Now these will pull back through there once I drop the box. Big old bucket of rags and some gearbox nut things, fittings. We're not sure which size it'll be, but let's take a guess. I'm going to go for that one, which is number 10. Yo! Yo! What is that?
Plumber's tape.
Is it? Is that tape?
Yeah.
Hope so. How much metal and shit's in here? Well, there's definitely some filings in it, but as this is mainly for science, we're going to run it anyway, and we can replace the gearbox later if necessary, or overhaul this one. I'm not going to do that. I'll just buy another one and sell this one as a suitable for overhaul. Not even tight. Okay, cool. That's one. I reckon that 10 was tighter than this 14.
Yeah, probably. It's probably the only thing holding the gearbox on.
The only thing holding on's hopes and dreams. The hopes and dreams of one Suzuki designer somewhere.
Who, according to Kieran, failed his engineering course.
Right. What was that quote? Failed engineers go to...
Yeah.
Is that
Suzuki, where failed engineers go to get jobs.
Glad I don't know anyone that works there.
Didn't say they're all useless, but some of the things in my car make you question.
Competency questions have been raised. How would you like it?
How would you like 20 years worth of rust and K-car falling on you?
I'm getting a rust facial. What's that? It's when you lie underneath an Every and shit just falls on your face. It's beautiful for my complexion. Where's the 14? Here it is. Jeez, Dave, you have such nice skin. How do you...
Rust-based exfoliant.
That's right. Exfoliate weekly with Suzuki Rust. Suzuki Rust. It won't happen overnight, but it will happen.
I don't know. I think if you live in the mountains in Japan, you can walk.
It might happen overnight. Yeah,
yeah.
Right.
You can walk outside and listen to it. You can hear all the Suzuki's rusting. Summer mornings, you hear the cicadas. Autumn, you hear the crickets. Winter, you hear the K-cars.
You hear the screams of 1,000 K-cars. I'm melting. These are the results of 1,000 electric volts. A neck with bolts. Nurse, we're losing him. Check the pulse. Yeah, that's not coming out of there. Because the clutch cable says no. Clutch cable says get f***ed. Why? Why don't you want to? Like, could you just do it? Like, I know you don't want to, but could you just do it anyway?
It's trying to save its friends up. I'm going to the scrapyard, that's why.
I heard a rumor we're going to the scrapyard. Quick! Halt all progress. But why? We were so good to him. I think he's remembering that time the exhaust pipe rusted off on the highway.
Is that why it's spray painted silver?
That's correct, yeah. It actually rusted off here. Or was it there? One or the other.
The thing is, it just looks like it's been rattle-canned silver.
Well, it's exactly what I did to it. When they come new, they're just rattle-canned silver as well. Yeah, so I've just got this on the bolt. It's up in there.
Ooh, that was a good...
Oh, yeah. Love that. Yeah.
There you go. Now, just in case we could possibly maybe see something past your hands.
Oh, the eye. That's how my eyes are so pretty as well, because they get exfoliated with rust as well. God, you have such beautiful eyes. Yeah, it's the Suzuki rust treatment. Ah, there we go. Got it. Got it. This mother... Undo that, get that out of the way. Careful, it's got like a hooky thing on the top. A hooky thing, there's a technical term for you. A hooky thing. I can't remember what the... Ah, it's a reverse sensor. Don't forget your reverse sensor. There's a zip tie here that's... I mean, mine's already broken, so yours probably is too. If you're doing this at home. If you're playing at home, I think that's it. All that's left now is that bolt and that bolt are the only two things holding it in. Look at those wheels. Jesus. Alright, keep going. And stoppy. One of the cool things about this tool is that you can use it like a regular ratchet. It doesn't actually have to have any power to it. See? So, and it's quite a decent breaker bar.
Maybe if I had one of those, my wife wouldn't have left me.
Your wife didn't leave you.
They don't know that.
True. They do now. It's the final bolt. Get the drive shaft out. The propeller shaft.
Because we definitely have propellers in cars.
Well, I just called a propeller shaft. I didn't name it, bro. Take a chill pill, mate.
I'm not even complaining.
Lose the f***ing attitude, alright?
I'm sorry.
What are you talking about? Okay. It's no longer attached. We are no longer attached. I suspect that we're hanging up on this thread of this bolt here is causing it to be a bitch. So we might, could you jack it up?
Yep.
And that might actually help alleviate the stress.
Can't jack it up anymore, I'll be lifting the car.
Screwdriver. There it is.
Ooh.
Yo!
Did you cut yourself or?
No, No, it just moved a lot more than I thought it was going to. So, can we lower it a bit, please? That was exciting.
Ready?
Yep. Yo, that was close.
Good thing you've got an excellent cameraman, and the kind of almost on a.
Okay, off we go. We're free.
Sick.
Oh god, that's only barely hanging on.
It is rather, isn't
Go
it?
down.
Okay, down.
Yeah.
Nice and slow.
Yeah. I'm wiggling these wires so that so that they clear the thing, and that's gearbox out.
Now I have no idea if that footage was any good or not. I was busy trying to make sure it didn't drop on you.
That's all right. And again, it's not very heavy. That's lifted with one hand.
David's now got a gearbox for a penis.
See? Hey? A gearbox what?
For a penis.
There we go. And it's smaller than my normal one. Okay, let's get out of here. Stand her up like that. That's it. How long did that take? What time is it?
42 past.
So it took 42 minutes. All right. This is a 12. Oof. It's got locating dowels in it, and they're just a bit rusty and stuck. So just bear with me. There we go. That's out, and we take the clutch off. How bad was the clutch? It was actually
Pretty good.
there's still a lot of life in that, and I never changed it. So yeah, I'm surprised by that. Geez, we've got some hot spots on the pressure plate though. Okay, got to get this out. I think they're 14s. That's not going to work. This tool is unbelievable. Just going to start the engine in reverse real quick. There's a whole lot of no happening here. I don't understand why these ones would be tighter.
There you go.
What the f? It's the final bolt. Oh. This probably weighs more than the gearbox does. And that's out. Gearbox out in under an hour. That'll do. Don't want to scratch the glass of this car that's getting scrapped. No longer Garage K. No longer Boss Town. That is the end of an era. That's been on there for a very, very long time. A bit sad, really. Tell you the truth. Me in this car have seen more of Japan than most people who have been here all their lives will ever see.